Is there a math nCr function in Python? I'm looking to see if built in with the math library in Python is the nCr, nCr function. I understand that this can be programmed, but I thought that I'd check to see if it's already built in before I do.
The following program calculates nCr in an efficient manner, compared to calculating factorials, etc. As of Python 3.8, binomial coefficients are available in the standard library as math.com.
Do you want iteration? itertools.combinations. Common usage. If you just need to compute the formula, math.factorial can be used, but is not fast for large combinations, but see math.com below for an optimized calculation available in Python 3.8+. Output. As of Python 3.8, math.com can be used and is much faster.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.